Hi guys, and welcome back to the radiocontrol.co.uk YouTube channel. Today we're looking at the Flywing Huey helicopters. These are 450 size. They're pretty big compared to the RCs we normally sell. We sell a variety of these helis, including this Bell helicopter, which is absolutely stunning, and the Airwolf, for those of you who are the fan of the old school TV show. They also do these smaller stunt helicopters. We will do a separate video on those stunt helicopters and show you them flying and doing some stunts in the air, flying upside down, etc. All of them come with this really high quality remote, which I'm going to talk through now in terms of its features and how it operates. Okay, so these helis are actually double boxed, but I'm not going to make you watch me pass the parcel with this. I'm just going to go straight into it. So this is going to go through the contents of the box. So you've got the instruction manual, which details out flight instructions in a good amount of detail and good level of English. You've got the heli, which is packaged really well. You can see they've shaped the foam to fit the heli really well, so it doesn't get damaged. And like I said, it's double boxed. You get a 4S, I think it's 3S and 4S charger. You get the remote, which we'll go through in a second. All the details, again, looks really high quality. Clickety click. AA batteries required. And again, it fits really snugly in the box. You get the blades. Serve 2. You also get the battery included, which is a 4S battery. 3,000 milliamp hours. It's a decent battery. I didn't have any complaints about the flight time on the other one that I flew. It also comes with a USB-C cable that plugs into the internal electronics, so you can program flight cards, etc. The cable for the charger. This is an American plug. We are making sure that we order UK plugs from now on. It comes with a Velcro battery strap. And it also comes with a really handy Allen key tool, which has all of the Allen key heads that you need for this heli, and probably more, to be honest. It has a really good range. And this is the Bell helicopter, just getting it out. Bit of a squeeze to get out. Once it pops out, it is a thing of beauty, just like the rest of them, really high quality. So that's what you get in the box. Hi guys, so this is the controller for the Flywing helis. Pretty much all the helis come with this except for the smallest one, which I will show you in a different video. So it is actually a Fly Sky remote, as you can see when I turn this on. Oh, Fly Sky, yeah. You're gonna have all the switches up. So I'm just gonna run through what these switches are and go through the remote. It is a really cool, high quality remote. Love the fact that it's got a lanyard hook. It's got micro USB, old school USB here. 2 power buttons which you hold on to turn it on. Across the top you've got your kill switch, so it's your run versus stop, which you'll need to power off and power up and power down. You've got a normal, a 0 fly and an 8 fly switch. You've got home, GPS and 3D. So home is bring it home to where you started or where the GPS locked in. GPS mode, which is flying with GPS, and then 3D mode, which is flying without GPS. And then you've got normal and inverted. I'm not actually sure if these ones, the Huey and the larger model, actually invert, but it's relevant for the smaller stunt models, which you can work with this remote. So if you wanted to get loads of Flywing helis, you can get the one ready to fly with the controller, and then the others you can just buy on their own, and you can just switch over the controller. So in the back it takes 4 AA batteries, and it's got 2 soft keys. I think these are unassigned. I tried using these whilst flying and it didn't actually do anything. Then you've got your elevation on the right, so this takes you up and down when you're in GPS mode. This rocks you forward, this rocks you backwards, this rocks you left and right, and this will rotate the heli like this, left and right. Alright, so the initiation process, when you start to take off, plug everything in the heli, you turn on, hold these 2 down, you turn it on, and at that point the light just here should be flashing amber. You then switch to GPS mode, and it will take some time for the GPS to lock in, so it will flash amber and then you should get a green light. Then once you've locked in to GPS, you hold down and away on both sticks for around 5 seconds. At that point the green light, solid green light, should start flashing, so you get a flashing green light, and then you switch to run, and then it will start rotating. Both propellers will start rotating, and when you get up to speed you can then lift off with this button here, and that is how you basically, a simple way that you take off. It's really safe and easy. Obviously make sure that you're further away from the heli and that there's not any people around, and all of the standard safety advice that you're going to have with any helicopter of this size. If you crash into someone, it's going to hurt, so be really careful with these. So it's a big piece of kit in any helicopter. And then when you come back down, obviously you're going to come down and flip the kill switch off to stop, and that's going to turn off the power and bring everything down safely. Just looking at it, is a really decent, it's like a hefty piece of kit. It looks good and it feels really high quality, so it's really good that they've provided something this high quality.
Yeah, there was a video in.